Hey, welcome back to I Get It Out the Soil, and today I'm going to pick these potatoes back here, and hopefully they grew to maturity and I get a successful harvest. So let's see. So I'm talking about these potatoes in this container garden, and I'm trying to do this before it rains. I got right here. These are the sun-kissed red potatoes. They small potatoes that I got from the grocery store, and I planted them. And we're gonna see what the results. I'm gonna take out these two. The sweet potato is back here. It's not ready, but it's the ones in the front. I'm gonna see if I got a successful harvest with that. This where the strawberry basically transfer into the back container here, where I put 3 rows of the small sun-kissed potatoes in the front, and I had one big. It's all from the grocery store. I had one big red potato that I planted. I still got it in here. Red Idaho potato that was back here. As you can see, all the branches got eaten by, I don't know if it was a raccoon or whatever. It just feast on those. But before those, the stems was dying out and looking worse than this. So it was already ready to pick. And that was about probably like 3 weeks ago. So I'm 3 weeks behind in picking these potatoes in the bag. I planted April 1st. Today is July 21st. And this is a store-bought red Idaho big potato. Hopefully I have a successful harvest from that. The Sun King, I planted this April 20th, if you can see right there. And I'm going to take those out, and hopefully I have a successful harvest from those as well. The runners ran back there and took over the baskets, so I'm going to uproot those because I got to get those potatoes out of this container. So I'm going to set y'all up. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me get it set up here. Let's go. Oh, I forgot I tied these. So let me take this little green twine off of these. And let's see what we got here. First, I'm going to. I gotta move these strawberry runners and replant them because they wasn't even supposed to run back here for real. But let's take them up because I really have to pick these. So sorry, runners, you're gonna have to get replanted because I gotta pick this stuff. And that's what it is. I had some of the vines tied when I first planted up, so they want. I'm just untying them. If you can see that, hopefully y'all have a good angle of what I'm doing. God damn, how far down did this shit root? Okay, that one was not planted. I hope I ain't fucked this one up. Cause I ain't know the root. Yeah, like, ooh, I don't know, y'all. I might fuck this strawberry up because first of all, I thought the strawberry roots were shallow. These are, ooh, they in there, girl. Grabbing and ooh, and I'm gonna uproot them. Girl. Baby, hopefully they can make it. I don't know. I don't feel potatoes though, for real. Like, it's feeling funny up in here. It's feeling funny. I don't feel no potato, y'all. I don't know. Y'all. It's a little funny up in there. It's a little funny. I don't feel no potato for real. So, I don't know, y'all. just certainly do not know. Oh, them might not be ready right now. I don't feel a potato, bitch. First of all, this damn thing on tree. But however it goes, I'm so sorry. I have to strawberry. Look at that root though on that strawberry. I ain't do too bad on this one. But the runners got runners, honey. And this is the main one. So but I forget one thing. To take the wood chips. I'm tripping. Let me take the wood. I'm not even doing this properly. Let me take the wood chips up out of here. I ain't doing no justice. First of all, we got one. Got one baby potato. So one. That's one, y'all. Now I'm gonna just put them in this makeshift basket. Girl, let me get some more wood chips up off of here. And these mosquitoes is beating my butt. Hopefully y'all can still see it. I think I moved it a little. Y'all can see that? Yeah, it looks like it's still a good angle. Girl. Let me just, this is a lot of fucking wood chips. Let me just move these wood chips. What is that? Look at this. Didn't make it. That was a potato. Girl didn't make it, honey. Okay. Hold on. Let's see what this is. Because these supposed to be the big ones. Look at that. We got a potato, but look at the size. So we got a potato. They just small. What is I'm doing? Let me take all the wood chips out. Because I gotta reuse these. So let me take all the wood chips out. I get these strawberries. I'm gonna replant the strawberries back here since they're back here already. Cause they really fucking taking over. I'm not gonna. Hopefully I didn't miss this yet. In the front, the little one. But, yeah, the way I was pulling, I think I did. These wood chips breaking down quite nicely. And excuse that noise, that is my AC. It just came on. It's gonna be another hot one today. It's supposed to rain here in 7A, zone 7A. Excuse me, y'all. I had to come in as a voiceover because that AC was not letting me be great. And it was getting on my nerves. And I know it will get on y'all nerves. So what I'm doing right here is just still searching for more potatoes, and I'm gonna pull up this strawberry. But at the moment I am picking out one potato. It's a little small baby potato here that I'm picking out. I'm going to just continue to fill in this bucket, and I'm just showing y'all these potatoes right here that I've gotten out so far. I'm just gonna continue to dig around, and I'm about to snatch this well, not snatch it, but I'm gonna pull this strawberry out. I'm trying to be very gentle not to damage the roots of the strawberry, because these strawberry roots was very, very strong, and they rooted very deeply, and it kind of threw me off, because I thought the strawberry roots it was shallow. I didn't think the roots would go that far into the soil, so it kind of threw me off when the runners was pretty deep in the soil back there. But I'm about to remove this little strawberry plant here shortly. It was kind of stuck, entwined with the other roots of the potatoes and everything. So I didn't get, from what I remember harvesting these potatoes, I didn't get a good harvest at all. The red potatoes was like a medium size. They was not intended to be small potatoes, but they still can be eaten. They just didn't grow to full maturity like they was supposed to. I did look it up how many potatoes I can get from one red potatoes. They said about 3 or 4, so I think I did pretty good, even though they was very small. Um, it wasn't a successful harvest, quote unquote. And I'm just showing y'all this potato that I just dug up. I think this actually is the starter potato right here. I wasn't sure. It shrunk significantly in size, so I was thrown off by that. Where the starter potato was. But I'm taking out 2 small potatoes right here, and they are the small potatoes that I just took out. Them 3 that's in my hand there. But even the small potatoes didn't grow to the size they were supposed to grow into. So to me, it was not a successful harvest because the potatoes didn't grow to full maturity, and they were rather small than they was supposed to. But at least I did get some potatoes, and they were store bought, so I didn't expect the potatoes to even grow for real. So I think I did pretty good for my first time harvesting store bought potatoes. So I think I'm doing pretty good here. And the mosquitoes was biting. They was tearing me up while picking these little potatoes. So I was trying to ignore that on camera, but if you've seen earlier in the video, you can probably see the mosquito actually biting me. Oh, there you go, right there. So the mosquito is actually on my arm, biting all the blood out. So I'm just continuing to dig in this container to see if I can feel any more potatoes. I think it was just little real baby potatoes that was starting. I did leave the 2 in the front end because it still had some greenery and the leaves was still kind of growing on it. So I just made a decision to just leave those and let it continue to grow. And I did feel like a little bundle on that side, so I just left them alone, and I put the dirt back on the roots to the 2 small potatoes that's in front. So you just gonna see me move the dirt around here more forward onto the 2 potatoes that's in the front. That's what I'm doing now, and I'm gonna leave those in to further grow. And yeah, that's pretty much it for harvesting the potatoes. I am going to show y'all a quick shot of the bundles of potatoes in my little makeshift basket here, and that's it. So to thank y'all for tuning in to I Got It Out the Soil. I hope y'all really enjoyed my potato harvest video, and if you haven't liked the video already, go ahead and give my video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you have your notification bell on so you can know every time I drop a video. And until next time, I see you in my next video. Peace.